Hello you wonderful people, Mad Mick here with my presentation, the Zontes 350XI single-sided swing arm. Should be coming to Europe and the rest of the world by June or even sooner. Like I mentioned, the XI is a single-sided swing arm version, the X is the double swing arm version. The tyres on the front are 120/70 ZR17. The tyres on the rear is a 160/60 ZR17, same as the 310X model. Another upgrade to the 350 is J. Juan Spanish radial front calipers, that's radial calipers, on a bigger display. Another imported change is an oil-cooled radiator on the front of the bike underneath the water-cooled radiator. So the bike no longer uses the frame to cool the oil like the 310 version does, which is a big change. The seat height is 795mm. Well, I hope you like this short presentation. Please subscribe for the latest news. Please like the videos and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on the content. This is Mad Mick signing off.